The equation of the parabola is given with x squared plus 4y is equal to 0. Since our standard form of equation must be in the form x squared is equal to 4py or y squared is equal to 4px. So we have to leave this term on the right side, on the left side. So we'll have x squared is equal to, transposing this will make it negative 4y. This is now the standard form of equation for our parabola. And based from this equation, we can identify the orientation as, since x is squared, we can either choose from up and down. And since negative tayo dito sa right side, the orientation now will be facing down. And then next, since there is no other term or number beside x and y, we can say that the vertex is at the origin or at 0, 0. And then, to solve for the value of p, since the length of your latus rectum is 4p given with the value negative 4, we just have to divide this by 4, we'll be having negative 1. Or simply, the value of p is 1. Palagi siyang positive. So, 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. From the given, since the parabola is facing down from 0, 0, means from the vertex going to your focus, you are moving 1 unit down. So, pag pababa, ang magbabago ay y coordinate. So, the coordinate of your focus will be 0, negative 1. Okay? So, from 0, 0, let's say, nandito yung ating graph. Let's say, this is your graph. So, from the origin, 0, 0, you're moving 1 unit down. This will be 0, negative 1. This will be your focus. If this is the vertex, this is your focus. And then, for the directrix, yun naman ay sa pataas. Since the parabola is facing down, your directrix is going to the, going up to the direction going up. So, since the parabola is facing down, your directrix is a horizontal line. So, that is the line that passes through 1. Okay, so 1. So, therefore, the equation of this line will be y is equal to 1. Okay, since that is a horizontal line. The directrix is given with y equals 1. And then, we now compute for the endpoints of your latus rectum. So, from the focus, 0, 1, you are going to move to the left side and the right side since the parabola is facing down. Okay? So, since the length of your latus rectum is 4, meaning halfway, 2 po ang i-add natin at isusubtract. So, from 0, negative 1, we'll be moving 2 units to the right side. So, that is given with 1, 2. So, we'll have here the point. This point is that has the coordinate 2, negative 1. Meaning, ang nagbago sa atin ay yung x-coordinate kasi pa right side tayo. That changed with 2 units. So, we have 2, negative 1, and same way, papunta sa kabila, we have here negative 1, negative 2. So, 2 units on your left, that gives us negative 2, negative 1. Those are now the endpoints of your latus rectum. Your latus rectum is the line that passes through your focus. So, your parabola probably looks like this. Okay, technically, it will look like that. So, the parabola is facing down. Your directrix is a horizontal line with equation y is equal to 1. And your axis of symmetry is a vertical line. Ito, the one passing through your focus and vertex. Okay, that is your y-axis. Or simply, the equation is x equals 0. So, from the equation x squared plus 4y equals 0, you now have your standard form of equation. x squared is equal to negative 4y, whereas it is facing down, its vertex is at 0, 0. The value of p is 1, that is 4 divided by 4. The coordinate of your focus is 0, negative 1, since it's going down. And then the equation for the directrix is y equals 1, since it's on the upper part of your parabola. And then the endpoints of the latus rectum are 2, negative 1, and negative 2, negative 1. Okay? And then your axis of symmetry is the y-axis, or simply x equals 0.